আমি মোহাম্মদ ইমরুল ইসলাম খান, আমি সিনিয়র জেনারেল ম্যানেজার হিসাবে পেগাসাস বাংলাদেশ সুইং মেশিনে কর্মরত আছি। তো আমার ওয়ার্কিং অ্যাবাউট 20 years in Pegasus. So Pegasus especially we are making the chain stitch machineries, and our company is making this machine from 1914. And since 1914 we are selling our machines with good reputation in the market, and our market share is in Bangladesh about 80%. So who are making the knit garments, and especially the t-shirt, polo shirt, undergarments, brief, boxer, panty, these customers are using especially our machines, and we have a good market share, about 80% market share in the Bangladesh for chain stitch machineries. So this time in the GTB exhibition we have displayed our latest technology machine in the show. All machines are equipped with automatic labor saving devices, and which machine if customer use, then they will get the productivity and quality. And this time we in exhibition we have a 4 corner. We have a oven corner. We have display in oven corner about 4 sets oven machinery, safety stitch machine, and we have a active wire corner. That there also we displayed about 6 sets machine, which machines are used in the active wire. And we have a lingerie corner and undergarments corner. Here also we displayed about 6 machines, which machines are used in the lingerie and undergarments. And we have also especially the MX new series, new arrival, and especially some cylinder bed machine that is used in the knit and oven both. And we have a new innovation, MXT series. This machine is with variable top feed. People who are using making the denim and also fleece item, they can use this machine for their item. So it will performly serve their purpose for heavy materials and even slippery materials. So this kind of machines actually we display in this machine. Actually, you know, the last 2-3 years we faced the Corona time. Actually, we cannot arrange this kind of exhibition. So after Corona period, this is about 3 or 4 years later, this exhibition. So people also have attraction. People are coming now. You know, Corona is over. So huge people is coming. Response is very good. All of our customers is visiting our stall, and they praise and they saw our machine, and they we explain nicely about our machine, and they are very much impressed about our machine to see the new technology.